What's going on, family? Want to give you a small update of my curb sign. As you see, the holes are in kind of slight angle because of the way the sun is shining. It's hard to see everything, but I wanted to give you an update on it. Like, you know, it got the platform that pops out, and now I got my wheels that I came up with a small design on how we can tilt it. So check it out. All you do is, as soon as you go back on its wheels, tilt it back, it rolls. Like, when I tell you it rolls good. Oh, God, man. Like, I'm cool with the design, and it's easy to drop it without it rolling. Once you tilt it, the wheels are big enough up off the ground where it doesn't try to roll on you. You know what I mean? So, like I say, I'm proud of my design. On this, hold up, kind of like. Give you the full layout here real quick. My bad, I flipped that camera all the way around it. So, there you go. So you can see it good. So I am finished with it. And I think my last thing is to put a handle here. So I'm gonna get a handle, weld it on there, and that's gonna be the curb sign. And as you see, it got the wheels, it got the holes, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top, 3 on the sides. That way it can brace your sign down good. 5/16 holes. Nice size bolt. So that's what we're doing, man. I'm proud I got it done. Just want to give y'all an update. Hold on.